Namaste. Thank you for tuning into Shakti Yoga with Shaili. Let's practice this cardio yoga session together. Standing straight, inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fold forward. Coming as low as you can. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold forward. Warming up our body with this movement. Inhale, we stretch up. Exhale, we fold forward. This time as you come low, hold on to your opposite elbows, like this, with your head resting between your arms, and stay there. In this position, your head is absolutely relaxed. Maybe you want to swing from left to right, or maybe you want to stay here, whatever feels right as of now. Keep breathing through the nostrils, holding on to the opposite elbows. Inhale and you rise. Nice. We will do a side body stretch. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, start turning to your right. Still holding on to your elbows, stretching the left side of the body. Coming back to the center, deep breath in. As you exhale, tilt in the opposite direction. So we are stretching right side of the body. Back to the center. Release your arms. From here, we are going to jump out into a wide-legged standing position, and we will do a movement that involves inhaling, stretching the arms up, exhaling, bending the knees. Inhale, the legs and arms are straight. Exhale, you bend your knees and bring your arms low. 4, 5, and this time, hold on to the bent knee position. We are in goddess pose. Sit as low as you can. Nice. Now inhale, straighten your legs. Turn your left foot parallel to the outside edge of the mat and point your right toes. Bend your right knee. Inhale, raise your arms. As you exhale, tilt your upper body to the right. 2, tilt. 3, tilt. Your arms are parallel. 4, tilt. One last, 5, tilt. Nice. Now take your arms down on the mat. Step back with your right foot coming into the plank position. And from here, we will tap our toes to the left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nicely done. From the plank position, we are turning out into the side plank. We are holding the side plank firmly on our right hand and right foot. Coming out of it, step up with your right foot and gently guide yourself back to the wide-legged position. Before we rise, we are going to relax the neck for a few moments. When you feel ready, inhale and rise all the way up. And we will take the sequence to the other side. So turning the right foot parallel, pointing the left toe out. Left knee is bent. Inhale. As you exhale, tilt. 1. Tilt 2. Tilt 3. And 4. And 5. Nicely done. Hands on the mat. Stepping back with the left foot. We will come into the plank position and we will tap our toes to the left and the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, getting ready for our side plank on the left side. So holding the side plank firmly on the left hand and left foot. foot this time. Coming out of it. Stepping up with the left, turning out for the wide-legged position, and once again, taking a few moments to relax the neck and shoulders. Inhale and rise all the way up when you feel ready. From here, turn your right toes out. The right knee is slightly bent. Body is facing the right knee. Engage your core and lift your left knee as high as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Back to the wide-legged position. And we will take the movement in the other direction. So left knee is bent. And this time we are going to kick with the right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Coming out of it in our wide-legged standing position once again. And from there, jump back into a standing position. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Walk your hands out. Step back with your feet. And we will come into our downward facing dog position. And from here, we will jump into runner's lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here you have to pull your body with the help of your abdominal muscles. Engage your core. Make sure that you're not putting too much pressure on your wrists. Core engagement is necessary. Keep going, breathing through the nostrils. And we are done with the jumping runner's lunge. Relax in Uttanasana. From here, we inhale and rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. We are doing good. Standing straight and stepping back with the right foot. Turn your body forward, find your stability, and we are going to play with the left leg here. Bend it and straighten it. Bend the left knee 2, straighten it. Bend it 3, straighten it. Bending it 4, straighten it. 5, straighten it. Bend it 6, straighten it. 7, 8, 9, almost done. 10. Nice. Bring your legs together. Let's take the movement to the other side. So stepping back with the left foot this time. Finding the stability for the movement. And when you feel ready, let's begin. Bend 1. So keep breathing through your nostrils. You can exhale through the mouth, but definitely make sure that you are inhaling through your nostrils. Try to bring the back knee as low as possible, but maintain a straight back leg. Nice and easy, coming down and take a moment in Thunderbolt Pose, Vajrasana. Breathing through the nostrils and feeling how the body feels right now. When you are breathing smoothly, lie on your mat. Next, we will be doing the bridge pose, Setu Bandhasan, with a variation. So your back is on the mat, knees are bent, feet parallel to each other. We will inhale and lift ourselves up in bridge pose and take our arms behind us like this. As you exhale, arms by your side and the body comes down. Inhale 3, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale to bridge pose 6, inhale 7, bridge pose 8, 9, one last 10. Now from here, lift your feet off the ground and send your feet behind your head, coming into plow pose. Your core is engaged. From the plow pose, you're going to lift yourself up into a seated and from there into seated forward fold. Go back to plow pose and come into the Paschimottanasana 2. 3, plow pose, 2, seated forward fold. 4, plow pose, 2, seated forward fold. 5, halasana, 2, Paschimottanasana. 6, halasana, 2, Paschimottanasana. 7, plow pose, pull yourself up into a seated forward fold. 8, into a seated forward fold. 9th, plow pose, into a seated forward fold. And stay there for a few moments in your seated forward fold. Breathing through your nostrils and breathing deep. Inhale and rise. And now come into Vajrasana. We will be doing a Bhastrika pranayama, bellows breath. For that, bend your elbows, keep them close to your upper body, and make a fist with your hands, with your thumb under your fingers. Bhastrika involves forceful inhalation and exhalation. You inhale, stretch your arms up, exhale, bend your elbows. This was the first round of Bhastrika pranayama. We will be doing 2 more. Let's get ready for the second round. Second round is done. Come back to normal breathing. And third round. Third round of Bhastrika pranayama is done. You can come back to normal breathing now. I hope you enjoyed this sequence and that you will come back for more. I'll see you soon. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.